Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to check out some must-watch long to short hair transformations. The first one starts off with a girl with super long waist-length hair, and the stylist is cutting it to about shoulder length, so she has a nice fresh shoulder length bob. Loving the cut, love the fact that she can style it down the center or flip it over to the side. I think that it looks cute both ways, and her makeup is just so clean and fresh and very natural looking. Absolutely gorgeous. Loving this bob on her. Alright, so next up we are going to check out a Modernbob hair transformation. She starts off with about mid-length hair. And then the stylist cuts it to about shoulder length. So I would say this is actually more of like a lob. Oh, okay, so he did cut some more off. So there she is, just kind of fixing up her hair, fluffing it out, and seeing which way she wants to wear it. But this is just an absolutely gorgeous bob. Comes to about chin length, so you know that it is classic. Alright, so next up we are going to see a cropped mullet haircut. As you guys know, the mullet is definitely in for 2022. And to me, this really just looks like an overly glorified pixie haircut. I think that it looks very unique, very edgy. And I love the final results for this particular style. So as you can see, the back is kept a little bit longer and the front is shorter, which is what makes it that mullet shape. But it is more of a modern mullet because of the length that it is. Let me know what you guys think of this hairstyle in the comments below. Is this a look that you would rock? Kind of reminds me of the Peter Pan haircut a little bit, but a little bit cleaner and fresher. Love how she is sporting the tube top. I have not seen one of those in a hot minute. Definitely a fun, chic, edgy hairstyle. Very cute. Alright, and then our last transformation is going to be a classic bob. Very fresh, very clean. All one length, center part, absolutely gorgeous. Alright guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video. Be sure to comment, rate, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.